Hello, you're looking at my Toyota Rav4 and today I'm going to show you how to open the bonnet on this Rav4. Now I know if you're in North America that you refer to the bonnet as a hood. So every time I say bonnet, think of the word hood, H-O-O-D, and you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, the first step is to open the driver's side door. So this is the right-hand drive car, so I'll open the right-hand door there, and there's just a little bonnet release lever just down at the bottom of the dash there. Okay, the lever on the right-hand side releases the fuel door, and it's that lever on the left there that releases the bonnet. So I'll pull that lever up, and that pops the bonnet, releases the bonnet. So I'll close the door and go around to the front of the car now. Okay, I'm around to the front of the car now. There's another lever that needs to be pressed or pushed to open the bonnet, and so just lift up the bonnet there, and then with the right hand push that lever over to the left. Okay, this is a close-up of that lever there, and this is just under the bonnet there, and that just has to be pushed over to the left hand side like that, and that releases that hook, and that's the final release for the bonnet. And once you push it to the left, then you can lift the bonnet up and lift the bonnet up, and there's that arm there that needs to be just pop that arm out, and that comes around there, and that supports the bonnet. Okay, there's a close-up of that bonnet support arm. There's a sort of an oval shaped hole there that the bottom of that bonnet support arm just fits into nicely, and that supports the bonnet and holds the bonnet up while you're looking underneath it. Okay, so there we go. That's how to open the bonnet on a Toyota Rav4. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.